Meme coins can be unpredictable. Profits can turn into losses overnight, and sometimes you may walk away with less than you started. I've been through that myself, making the same mistakes more than once. But after plenty of trial and error, I developed a method that delivers consistent results. In this video, I'll walk you through that method step by step, so you can see how it all comes together. What made the biggest difference for me was changing my mindset. Instead of treating meme coins as quick cash plays, I began looking at them as actual projects. That shift completely changed my outcomes. These days, my main focus is on new launches. Like most people, I started on Pump Fun, which is where the action is. The challenge, however, is the fierce competition. Simply showing up isn't enough. Even with a solid strategy, luck plays a big role, and you usually hit a few setbacks before landing a success. After enough time in Pump Fun's non-stop chaos, I wanted a platform that felt more reliable. That search led me to Raydium. In this video, I'll explain why I believe it's the stronger option for launching. Raydium has a cleaner setup, less noise, and a pace that gives your project more room to grow. Unlike Pump Fun's constant flood of coins, Raydium only sees a few launches each minute, giving your token a better chance to stand out. 2. The key of this method. Out of all the tools I tested, the one that made launching on Raydium both smooth and reliable turned out to be bitlyxsol. It removes the usual complications, no coding, no confusing steps, so everything feels straightforward. In just a couple of clicks, your launch is ready. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works. First step, its logo creation. Let's launch Canva. A memecoin without a logo won't get far. Your logo is the first impression. If it doesn't catch attention, most people won't look twice. The funnier, more outrageous, or more clever the design, the better it sticks in people's minds. The easiest route is to build off a meme that's already trending online. A quick search gives you endless ideas. For this walkthrough, I'll use Intel, the computer parts company that's been popping up in memes recently. It's popular, recognizable, and perfect for this project. Before moving on, resize the image to 128 by 128 pixels and save it. Once your logo is ready, the next step is creating your token. The process is simple. Connect your wallet, approve the pop-up, and follow the prompts. In just a few minutes, your token will be live. Here, you'll set the basic details: name, symbol, description, and logo. For this example, I'm going with Intel Stone as the name and INTEL as the symbol. Your description is your hook. Make it funny, memorable, or thought-provoking. Once everything is filled out, upload your logo and continue. Next is tokenomics. At first, it might look complex, but there's no need to change anything. The presets are fine, so just move forward. Trust is everything, and that's where the revoke authority settings come in. These act as safeguards. Revoke freeze equals prevents trading from being blocked. Revoke mint equals fixes supply permanently. Revoke update equals closes the contract to further edits. Since anyone can check these settings, leaving them off makes your project look suspicious. The smart move is to switch them all on before launch. When you're ready, click Launch. Approve the transaction in your wallet, and your token will be live. But we're not finished yet. First, run a quick check on SolScan to confirm everything looks right. If your token appears there, it's officially active on the blockchain, where you can monitor supply, trades, and details. Before your token can be traded, liquidity must be added. Luckily, it's straightforward. Click the liquidity button, and it will take you directly into Raydium. First, connect your wallet using the option in the top right. Then, copy your contract address from bitlyxsol and paste it into Raydium's token field. Once it shows up, add it as a user token and select it from the drop-down. For this demo, with a supply of 1 billion tokens, I'll add 900 million to the pool as liquidity. Next, choose the quote token. This is what your coin trades against. On Raydium, Solana is the default and the best choice. Now, decide how much SOL to add. I recommend going all in since liquidity isn't locked. You can always withdraw later. Just keep at least 0.2 SOL in your wallet for fees. Then, pick a fee tier. I usually choose 2%. In my experience, it works best over time. Click Initialize Liquidity Pool, approve the transaction, and your token will be listed live on Raydium. It will also appear in spots like Photon, making it trade-ready. From here, it's all about watching the market. I'll show you the charts so you can see live trades and progress in action. For tracking, my go-to tool is DexScreener. It's simple and reliable. To pull up your token, click any random coin, copy your contract address from bitlyxsol, and paste it into the search field. Your chart will appear instantly. Liquidity is the key metric since that's where most of the action is. Just remember, bots are constantly trading in the background, and we can't filter them out yet. Don't forget to check your portfolio on Raydium. This is where all your tokens and liquidity positions appear, along with your profits when you're ready to withdraw. New positions usually take 10 to 15 minutes to display, so a short delay is normal. Here's a quick time-lapse of the launch. Patterns emerge fast. Even without strict rules, you'll notice bots move instantly. Trade volumes spike when buyers enter, and liquidity drives market cap higher. Since profits are tied to liquidity, keeping a close eye on your Raydium position is crucial. Once it shows up, you're ready for the final step. By the way, before I rug this coin, here are the winners of the giveaway from the previous video. Join the Telegram group so you don't miss the next giveaway. I think it's time to rug. We need go to Raydium's liquidity section and select your LP position. Click the minus sign and drag it to 100%. Ignore the payout numbers at the top. They're not accurate. Instead, focus on the SOL amount below. When everything looks right, click Remove Liquidity and approve the transaction in your wallet. That's it. Your gains will start moving to your wallet. Refresh it, and you'll see your results instantly. In this example, I made a small profit in just a few minutes. It's not huge, but repeating this consistently builds up over time. To wrap up, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm not connected to Photon, bitlyxsol, DexScreener, or any of the platforms mentioned. I'm simply showing the process I personally use to launch coins. That said, if it feels right for you, now could be a great time to give it a try.